Kidney stones. 12 home remedies for kidney stones you need to know. Kidney stones are a regular health issue. Eliminating these stones can be extremely agonizing, and unluckily, individuals who have experienced this problem are more prone to get kidney stones again in their lifespan. You might be wondering, there are some home remedies you can consider to decrease this danger. But talk to your doctor before getting started with any of the home remedies. If you're pregnant or breastfeeding, avoid using any remedies. In today's video, we will share with you 12 home remedies for kidney stones you need to know. Number 1, drink plenty of water. When we talk about the prevention of kidney stones, drinking lots of fluids is usually suggested. Water dilutes and enhances the volume of the stone-making ingredients in urine. This feature makes them less possible to form. But not all fluids apply this effect correspondingly. For instance, high consumption of water is associated with a lower hazard of kidney stone production. On the other hand, beverages such as coffee, tea, alcohol, wine, as well as orange juice have also been linked to a lower hazard of making kidney stones. In contrast, excessive intake of soda may help kidney stone production. This is right for both sugar-sweetened as well as synthetically sweetened soda. Also, sugar-sweetened drinks have fructose, which is recognized to upsurge the release of calcium and uric acid. These are significant features of kidney stone hazards. Do you find this video interesting so far? Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button and ring the notification bell if you want to see more content like this. Number 2, lemon juice. It is confirmed that adding squeezed lemons to water can help reduce stone formation. Lemons have citrate, which is a substance that avoids calcium stone creation. Citrate can break down minor kidney stones, letting them pass further easily. The best deal of lemons should be required to create a vast effect. However, some can support it a bit. Furthermore, lemon juice contains several other health advantages. For instance, lemon helps prevent bacterial progression and delivers vitamin C. Number 3, basil juice. Basil has acetic acid, which breaks kidney stones as well as decreases pain. It contains numerous nutrients. It is used conventionally for gastrointestinal and inflammatory diseases. It contains several antioxidants and anti-inflammatory receptors, and it can help uphold kidney health. You should utilize fresh basil leaves for making tea and drink numerous cups daily. You can also add it to a drink. Extensive consumption can cause low blood sugar levels, decreased blood pressure, and increased drainage of blood. Number 4, consumption of apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has acetic acid, which helps soften kidney stones. Along with flushing out your kidneys, this remedy can help comfort the pain produced by kidney stones. Additionally, there are several other health advantages of apple cider vinegar. According to research, it is operative in decreasing kidney stone production, although additional studies are required. But due to the many other health advantages, there is perhaps little danger. To gain these health benefits, you must add 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar with 6 to 8 ounces of distilled water. Drink this combination in the day. If consumed in larger quantities, it can cause low concentrations of potassium as well as osteoporosis. Number 5, celery juice. This home remedy is considered to eradicate toxins that help kidney stone production and has long been utilized in traditional medicines. Celery juice also aids in flushing out your body to facilitate the passing of kidney stones. Here's the deal. Mix 1 or further celery stalks with distilled water and consume the juice during the day. It is helpful to treat any bleeding defect, low blood pressure, and planned surgery. Do not use this combination if you are taking synthroid, lithium, and medicines that enhance sun sensitivity. Number 6, pomegranate juice. This remedy has been used for eras to improve general kidney performance. It can flush out kidney stones and additional toxins from your body. It contains numerous antioxidants that maintain your kidney health and might play an important role in avoiding kidney stone formation. It also decreases your urine's acidity concentration. Reduced acidity levels decrease your threat of kidney stone formation in the future. Pomegranate juice's influence on stopping kidney stones should be studied. Furthermore, you should avoid pomegranate juice during consumption of medications altered by your liver, blood pressure tablets, for example, chlorothiazide. Number 7. Kidney bean soup. The soup made from cooked kidney beans is an old-style recipe, frequently used by people of India, that can improve general urinary as well as kidney health. This remedy can break and flush out kidney stones. Number 8. Dandelion root juice. This home remedy activates the creation of bile. This is assumed to help remove waste, enhance urine productivity, and improve absorption. Dandelions contain essential vitamins and minerals like K, iron, and zinc. It is very effective in stopping the creation of kidney stones. All you need is to make dandelion juice or purchase it as a tea. You can also add in orange peel, auburn, and apple for flavor. Drink approximately 3 to 4 cups during the day. Avoid drinking this combination when you're taking bacteriostatic medicines, blood thinners, and lithium. Number 9. Wheatgrass juice. Wheatgrass contains several nutrients and improves your health. This remedy enhances urine flow to pass kidney stones. It also has essential nutrients that help wash your kidneys. Furthermore, you can drink around 2 to 8 ounces of wheatgrass juice daily. To avoid side effects, initially use the smallest quantity of wheatgrass juice and slowly reach up to 8 ounces. Drinking wheatgrass juice while having an empty stomach can decrease your danger of nausea. Sometimes it can cause loss of hunger and constipation. Number 10. Horsetail juice. Horsetail juice can improve urine flow for flushing out your kidney stones and reduce swelling and irritation. It also contains antibacterial as well as antioxidant features that help in general urinary wellness. Now, you should avoid drinking horsetail juice for more than 1 month at a time, as you can get seizures, reduced concentrations of B vitamins, and potassium deficiency. Moreover, horsetail is not suggested for kids and pregnant women. Avoid drinking this juice if you are suffering from alcohol use illness, type 2 diabetes, low potassium concentrations, and low thiamine concentrations. Number 11. Avoid excessive consumption of foods that are rich in oxalates. Oxalate is an anti-nutrient present in several plant foods, comprising leafy greens, veggies, and fruits. Similarly, your body generates considerable quantities of it. Consumption of high oxalate can enhance oxalate released in urine, which creates problems for individuals who produce calcium oxalate crystals. In addition to that, oxalate can combine calcium and additional minerals, creating crystals that can cause stone production. But foods rich in oxalate levels can also be very healthful. Thus, severe low oxalate food is no longer suggested for all stone-forming people. A low oxalate food is only recommended for hyperoxaluria individuals, a disease triggered by high concentrations of oxalate. However, always talk to your doctor before changing your food to get whether you might bet advantages from restricting your consumption of foods rich in oxalate. Number 12. Consume less animal protein. Eating foods rich in animal protein, for example, meat, fish, as well as dairy, are linked with a greater risk for developing kidney stones. A high consumption of animal protein can enhance calcium elimination and reduce nitrate levels. Furthermore, animal protein contains high amounts of purines, which can upsurge the risk of making uric acid stones. Organ meats are very rich in purines. Alternatively, plant foods contain less amount of these substances. Although it might be painful, however, you can pass your kidney stones by yourself. You can take different medicines to relieve your pain, such as acetaminophen and Advil. Make sure to carry on treatment until you pass the stones and avoid alcohol. You can also consider these home remedies to your normal routine and carry on usage after your stone passes. This can help stop extra stones from production. Also, talk to your healthcare provider before taking medicines or herbs. Will you try these home remedies after watching this video? Let us know in the comments section below. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos. Don't forget to like and share. Stay healthy!